All right, this is procedure, step by step procedures on how to produce multi-purpose liquid soap. We have the foaming agent, we have the cleaning agent, and we have the thickening agent. All right, the thickening agent. So the foaming agent is made up of sulfonic acid. This is sulfonic acid and Texapon. This is called Texapon. And then we have foam booster. Foam booster. So I group them as group 1. So this is group 1. Then group 2, we have caustic soda and soda ash. Caustic soda and soda ash. These are cleaning agents. These are cleaning agents. And then we have sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. And then we have nitroso. These are thickening agents. This is also nitroso. I bought extra nitroso to help me thicken my soap to make it thick. Most customers like thick liquid soap, not all those watery type. So for you to thicken it, you may need to increase your nitroso. And if you want to also increase the foaming, you may need to increase your Texapon or your foaming agent, depending on what you want. So, and then we have another ingredients we have here is your color and the fragrance. That is the perfume. Are you there? Okay, I'm going to show you how to mix this color. So you get an empty container. And then okay. Don't shake your hand, just stay away, even if I move out. So with this, the color will mix without having some seeds to be even. To mix vigorously. Alright, now we'll do our first mixture. Our first mixture is going to be on our final bowl, which is this. Alright. What do? We pour. Make sure that the container is dry. We are pouring our Texapon, sorry, sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. Then you add your After adding your sulfonic acid, add your Texapon. Turn vigorously. After turning, you add your foaming agent. You turn vigorously.
Now we mixing up.
So when you add you turn vigorously, and then we will go to the next mixture. We can set this aside anyway. For now, what we want to do is 7 liters. What I'm producing is 7 liters, right? So you have to measure out the liters before you start production. Since we are going for 7 liters, we will measure out 5 liters. To make the matter simple, you use a bowl like this that will help you. This is a liter. Measure 3, 4, 5. Me, I think this is not up to 1 liter. Will do me as if it's not up to 1 liter. So I can add extra 2. So this, what I want to produce should be able to feed the bowl. So I am not going to okay, on this note, we want to mix our thickeners. And you know, nitroso is very sensitive. If you are mixing it, you must be very fast. So I think we should first of all add our Larue sulfate. Sodium Larue sulfate. We have added it first, and we will turn vigorously too. You know. If you observe, you see that I did not use this other end that I used at the first mixture. I used the back end of the stick I'm using as a beginner. You can use stick, you can use a mixer, and so on. Larue sulfate does not mix easily, but by the time we are done, we'll leave it to set. In the next 6 hours, everything will mix up evenly. This is evening, as you can see, we'll see some shadows around. When we finish in the morning, you will see this beautiful product, multi-purpose liquid soap. All right. So now, remember, we are still working on our thickeners. Still working on our thickeners. And we are going to have 3 mixtures. We have done the first one, the second one. And we're not yet done with the second mixture. Are you seeing it clearly? So we are adding nitroso. So you see the way I'm adding it, pinching it. If you don't want your soap to have seed, so you have to pinch it so that it will not have seed. See the way I'm following it smoothly.
Don't be busy.
If you're not careful, you have seed. Like this, we are done with the second mixture. And you have to pause. We need to get another bowl for the third mixture. This is soda ash, our third mixture. Soda ash. That is soda ash. Done it very well. This is soda ash, and we add our caustic soda. Caustic soda. Thank you. Since we are using the same stick, we use this part of the stick to turn the first mixture. And we use this other side of the stick to turn. So we have to do some cleanup. And we are going back to the first mixture. See where we are here. The first mixture. This is the first mixture. This is the thickening agent. Sorry, the foaming agent. Then we have to introduce our second mixture. The first mixture is sulfonic acid, Dexapon, and foam booster. The second mixture is you add it small and you turn vigorously. Turn until there is no seed. Add the solution bit by bit. As you can see, it's getting thicker. Then we introduce again bit by bit. This is this second solution being introduced to the first solution. So you add your last mixture, which is the cleaning agent. And turn vigorously. So you can now add your color. See that color we mixed then and kept. You can then add your color. Any color of your choice. And then add your fragrance. Add your fragrance.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Drop your comments, your questions, share the videos.
This is our final product. We left it to set. We finished the work last night and we allowed it to set. As you can see, your multi-purpose liquid soap is ready.